Hello dear friends! Follow these steps to remove the video background in the free version of DaVinci. Select the file and go to the Color tab. Enter the Window section and select the Pen tool. In this step, you should specify the border of the object. To make this easier, you can enlarge the viewer window. Then go to the tracker, and it's better to put it on the frame. By using this button, the software automatically tracks the entire video. Then right-click on the nodes window and select Add Alpha Output. Connect the blue square and circle together. As you can see, the result needs a little correction. Go to the place where the software did not work properly. By using these two buttons, you can correct the video frame by frame. You can move the entire selected area, move individual points, or create a new point. Let's correct some frames. The result is good. To add a background to it, this file should be placed on the top layer and the background should be placed below it. With a little editing, you will get the final result. For practice, you can download these files for free from the Pixabay website. Their link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.